the power 2x. Now, what will I write in this case? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer. What will I write? E to the power 2x. I am talking about set of real numbers. So speak. Anybody other than Khushbu? She is only answering. What about others? Priyanshu Raj, please speak better.
It would be 4 into e to power 2x.
Why beta? I have already done f dash of x. When I did f dash of x, then only I have got these two. Yes or no? After that only I got these two. So already f dash of x is done. It is 2 into e to the power 2x. Okay? Now my question is, how will I show that it is strictly increasing? Yes, how I will show? 2 so I know. 2 is always greater than 0. Now what is my topic of discussion beta? It is e to the power 2x. Who will speak? Arey baap re. Not at all a good sign. E to the power 2x. I will not tell everything beta. Sorry. I don't have to give board
May
exam.
I?
Huh?
Ma'am, we have to take the value of
May
E.
We have to take the value of
E.
E. What is the value of E? I know it is something like between 2 and 3. Yes, Vaibhavi.
ma'am,
Sarthak,
can I?
Shaurya Gupta.
Strictly increasing
Arey to why? That is to given in
because
the question.
it is positive,
Why it is positive? You are on right track. Correct. Say.
because the value of e is between 2 and 3, so it will be
Value of
positive.
E is between 2 and 3. Okay, what about this? E is not. We are talking that x belongs to set of real number. So you have to speak about this value, not here. That is why I often say common sense, most uncommon thing in common people. And I know you are not common, right? Please. So please speak. Aditya, please don't reply in the chat box. I am not a superwoman that I will see your chat box, then I will come on the board, then I will do everything. As you are sitting nicely there, huh? More than you people, I am active here. So I am not going to accept when I am teaching on the board, you are replying me in the comment box there. Speak up here. What is the thing? This is a 2-marker question and you can understand if you're investing this much of time in this case. Khushbu, can you answer? I will not put any comments there, beta, now.
And 2x is positive.
2x is positive. Okay, fine. Aditya Raj, yes, he has raised the hand. Say. If you would be there in front of me, na beta, I would have seen to it then very nicely. Aditya, I said to speak. Vaibhavi is laughing. Come on, Vaibhavi, give the answer. Huh, Vaibhavi? She is feeling, oh, I am safe. I am at home. Madam cannot do anything on the camera to me. My goodness.
Ma'am, here the power is positive, so we can say that the it would be strictly increasing only because the 2x power is positive.
Power is positive. Where is power positive? That only I was going. E to the power x. I can have e to the power minus x also because I am talking about the real number. Okay? All these things I have explained you in chapter number 5 when I was teaching you exponential and logarithmic functions. You know very well I only get irritated when you don't answer what I have explained you very nicely in the class. I never judge you on those things which I have not taught to you. Yes, Ishan.
Ma'am, base is greater than 1.
Beta? Yeah, you're
Ma'am,
right.
base is greater than 1.
Can you explain? Because all the others also should understand why this base is always greater than 1.
Ma'am, in that exponential that e is greater than 1, and for when in exponential a power x, a is greater than 1, so it is always increasing only, irrespective of power.
That my query is if it is minus x, it is nothing but 1 upon e to the power x. So at any cost, this is positive value only. And this was the only thing which I was expecting from you people. E is any value which lies between 2 and 3 and anything raised to the power, what will happen? E to the power x will be a good number, say it will be greater than 1, I can say. But when I talk about this 1 upon any number, as the number goes on increasing, the decimal goes on increasing. Howsoever the number is small, but how the number is, it is positive. You are getting me? Even if I say that 1 upon, suppose I say e to the power 4. So 1 upon some number between 2 and 3, suppose I wrote 2.3999, something like that, to the power 4. What it will be? It will be a huge number. And 1 upon a huge number means again decimals and decimals and decimals. How many decimals are there? But how it will be? It will be greater than
Greater
zero.
than 0.
Small it is, it will be greater than 0. Please, children, I have repeatedly told you that even I should be interested to teaching you people, to teach you people. Okay? Don't come like this empty mithai ka dabba. Okay? Be attentive so that even I should enjoy teaching. Right? Is it clear, everyone? What would
Yes,
be e to the power x? Whatever x is positive or x is negative, how will be e to the power x?
positive.
It will be greater than 0 for all x belongs to set of real number. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ah,
ma'am.
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Chalo. Now third question I will do, then you will do 1, 2, 3 at a time. I want responses because now I am talking about trigonometry and I have invested lots of time with you people in 11th class so that you should remember these things. So if I talk about the third question, he said that show that the function given by f of x is equals to sine of x is, now there are three cases, strictly increasing on 0 to pi by 2. So first let us talk about 0 to pi by 2. Can you understand the interval? What are the interval? Open, close?
Open.
Because differentiability, okay, and continuity, just see the difference. Once open interval and once the closed interval. Is that clear? So what is the first step? First step,
Differentiation.
Differentiate.
With respect to x.
be f dash of x. What is, please don't give group answers. Sujoy Bhattacharya, what is differentiation of sine of x?
Cos x.
Okay, if I talk about cos of x. Now, what is the value of cos of x in the interval 0 to pi by 2? Come and tell.
It's between 0 and
It's between 0 and
1.
1.
1.
so 0 to pi by 2, I am getting 0 to 1. So what is the case in this?
Positive.
It's increasing from
Yes,
this
It's
ma'am.
positive.
I'm
Yes,
increasing
ma'am.
only.
from 0 to 1. So definitely it is greater than, it is positive or not, you tell me. Let us forget about from where it is going to what. What is
Positive.
the value of cos?
Positive.
0 and pi by 2. Is it greater than 0?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Positive.
Yes,
So if it
ma'am.
is positive, then the function is
Strictly
Increasing.
increasing.
Increasing. Increasing.
Increasing.
now I want somebody specific to answer. He is talking about the interval pi by 2 to pi. Come on. Pi by 2 to pi, and we are talking about f dash of x is equals to cos of x. I think you people only have made those circles and all, big circle with trigonometric. So if I talk about pi by 2 to pi, it comes in which quadrant?
Second.
Second quadrant. In second quadrant, what is positive and what is negative? Huh?
Sine and cosec are
Sine
sine and
cosec.
Sine.
Sine and cosec are
Positive.
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 others are negative. So in the interval pi by 2 to pi, how is cos? Cos is negative.
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 Is less than 0. So if it is less than 0, then how is the function?
Strictly
Strictly
decreasing.
decreasing.
Strictly decreasing.
Decreasing. I hope this much you are getting, children, everyone. Okay,
Yes.
fine. I'm
Yes.
giving you
Yes,
5
ma'am.
Yes,
minutes.
ma'am.
In 5 minutes, complete question number 1, 2, and 3. Come on, make it fast. 1.
Ma'am, there is C part as well in third question.
Baba, Are, Sujoy. Now 0 to pi. Here it is increasing, here it is decreasing. So both the things are there means from 0 to pi. It is neither strictly what I said, increase and decrease, matlab only increase and only decrease. When I'm talking to 0 to pi, what is it? Somewhere it is increasing and somewhere it is decreasing.
Decreasing.
If I see both the phenomena in that interval, then I say that it is neither increasing nor a decreasing function.
Okay.
Okay, it should be
Yes.
either increasing or only decreasing in the given interval. If it is showing both the cases, then it is neither increasing and nor decreasing,
Decreasing.
but the collective part of the previous two questions.
Ma'am, someone muted you. You're mute. Ma'am, ma'am is speaking to us only, na?
Ma'am, you are mute.
Ma'am, you're mute. You're
Okay,
mute, ma'am.
I'm sitting better. There are many good things in the life to be done instead of muting the teacher. Okay, you can do many concrete things better. Okay, don't do all this nonsense. Because what happens now, then people judge that how you are as a person. So don't do all these nonsense things. If you will mute me, you will lose the content. I don't have any issues.
Ma'am, in the first question, that fx is equal to 3x plus 17, how did it become only 3?
Beta, what is differentiation of 3x? 3 is constant. Differentiation of x is
1.
1.
अच्छा
And what
17, okay.
is 17?
तो 0 हो जाएगा, constant है.
Very good, beta. Very good. This is like after listening to whole Ramayana. Who was Sita Mata of Ram Bhagwan? So then you are having a doubt whether she was sister, whether she was bhabhi, whether she is wife. है ना? From 1 month we are doing this thing. But okay, fine. Anyways, at least these people have switched on the camera. I am highly obliged. Other, I think they don't understand English. Srijan, Ishan, Pratyush, Priyanshu, Pranav, Madhavan, Mahima. After changing the uniform, now what you're doing? Makeup or what? Eh? Suti,
Solving the questions.
solving the question. So let me see na beta. You are very beautiful. Let me see. Sarthak Jajo diya. To all of you, I will mark absent now. Wait. Okay, fine. By the time, let me take the attendance. And of course, being a class teacher, I will only post the attendance. So if you are not switching on the camera, it's up to completely me whether to mark you present or not. Let me know when it is done. These people are still not listening. Bhai, what to do? Lavanya has joined just now or what? Lavanya? Then Anurag Amal Advani also.
Mama joined 15 minutes late.
Okay. We are timing for class is 8 o'clock. Make it sure that you all join on time. Today is the first day, so no issues. Get up early in the morning. Please put the school uniform. And don't you just do all those shortcuts, beta, because prayer, pledge, and meditation is to be done in the beginning. Mahima, questions are done. Your both the hands I can see. Huh? Who is writing then? Adish Jain.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Three
All the
questions
three?
done. Yes, ma'am.
Arey wah. Can you send the pics to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Chat. Ah. Those who have done, start sending the pics in the chat box. Sujoy, tell your friend beta, Pratyush Mitra, to switch on the camera. है ना? Might be he's not listening to me, he might listen to you.
Might
Madhav,
be is not even in the class.
shall I tell you in Marathi that you have to switch on the camera? You'll understand. Stuti also. Srijan Jha to on in between. The thing is that I can just find out some solution for this boy. En route. Completed. Yes or no? Okay. Now see, mark fourth question and sixth question as homework. And I'm explaining fifth question. With the help of fifth, you will be able to do fourth and sixth. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on,
Yes,
now pay
ma'am.
attention. Everybody is able to see the board clearly?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Is it okay, children, or I should? I think this is fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So let us come to the next question now. See carefully because here we have to factorize the things. Find the intervals in which it means there will be some intervals in which the function, very important question, increasing and decreasing. What is the function? Function f of x is equal to 2x cubed, then what is it? Minus 3x squared minus 36x plus 7. Come on. What is the first step?
Differentiation.
We will
Differentiate.
Differentiate with respect to
differentiate. Beta, in the examination, everybody will write differentiate w dot r dot t and x. Differentiating with respect to x. Come on, tell me what will be the answer.
6x square
6x square
minus
6x
6x
minus 36.
6x minus,
36.
okay.
36.
And afterwards, Sujoy, what it will be afterwards? Plus 17.
No, nothing.
Nothing, nothing. Okay. So nothing will be there. So then I write 6. Then it would become x square minus x minus 6. Okay. Now he is saying intervals. It means I will have to find the possible critical points or values of x. To find this, those students, those who have read the question example number 11, they will very easily answer if they were honest enough. So what is the next step after this?
Middle term split.
Middle term split, but then what else? Beta is equal to what? What is the first thing to be done?
Ma'am, first we will
Plot the
consider f dash
critical
of x
point
as
in
0.
number line.
How I will
Ma'am,
go
first,
the critical points first of all?
ma'am, first we will
Ma'am, after
consider f dash.
factorizing, we will equate to 0. And
Very good. Who gave this answer?
me.
Very good. Because see, when I ask you to, good Vaibhavi, when I ask you to read the solved examples, there is a reason behind it. To find the critical point, so you in the examination you are going to write down the sentence data. Okay. To find the turning points or critical points, what you will do is put f dash of x is equal to 0. This one is clear. Shall I scroll it? Now, if I take this, what I will get 6 x square minus x minus 6 is equals to 0. Obviously, 6 is not equal to 0. So, this will imply x square minus x minus 6. Come on, factorize this. Factorize.
X minus 3x plus 2.
Very good. What it will be? Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 and minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. So all the properties are satisfied. So if I plug them, I will get x minus 3 plus 2 and then x minus 3 is equal to 0. Clear? Furthermore, what it will be beta? Then I will get x is equals to 3 and x is equals to minus 2. So these are the 2 points. He is asking about, if you read the question, what is he saying? Find the intervals of the function. So the thing is that nothing is given, then we take it as set of real number. So if I take set of real number, it would be plus infinity. This would be minus infinity. Okay, then what are the points? It is 3 and it is minus 2. So how many intervals are made because of 2 points? Tell. How many intervals are made because of 2
Infinite.
points?
3 intervals.
3.
Who gave the answer infinite? Hey, sorry, Gupta. And then he's switching off the camera after giving wrong answer. Infinite intervals are made.
I
Intervals.
thought the points between them.
Intervals are three. This is first, this is second, this is third. Now what? Now how I will find my f dash of x is this. This one. For this I can say. Now I'll put any point in between these three. I have used green color. 1, 2, 3 number nahi. I have told that they are intervals. One interval, second interval, third interval. Is that clear? Arey Baba, time is over or what? Applied math students have started the meeting. What is the time? Baat mein
8:50.
Plastic. Wait. I complete this question. They have already joined the meeting there. 12 commerce. Okay, fine. So any point in between minus infinity to minus 2, tell me any point in between this.
Minus
Minus 3.
Minus 4.
So if I put minus 3 in 6, forget about 6 and don't deviate. So if I take this x square minus x minus 6, I put minus 3. So minus 3 square minus of minus 3. Now see this I am going to explain you people. You can do it directly as per your comprehension. Board doesn't give you mark for these kind of steps. When you are in 12th class, they expect that you should be able to do this in one step. So if I write this becomes 9 plus 3 minus 6. What is it? 12 minus 6, which is 6. How is it? It is greater than 0. Means, means the function is increasing.
Increase.
Take any point between minus 2 and 3.
0.
Can I one?
0.
Okay, if you take 0 also no problem. If I put 0 here, the answer becomes minus 6, which is less than 0. So in this interval, it is decreasing. So any point from 3 to plus infinity. Come on, take
4.
4. Okay, if I take 4, 4 square 16 minus 4 minus 6. So it is 16 minus 10. What is it? 6. How is it? Greater than 0. So now just see in this interval, oh, sorry. Just a second. In this interval, the function is increasing. Here it is decreasing. Here it is increasing. So how to write it? You can write f of x increases in interval. Two intervals are there. I can write minus infinity to 2. Is that clear? What will be 2? Open or close interval? Then you can write union and then 3 to plus infinity. In this manner and decreasing in interval 2 and 3. Did you understand? Okay, 2
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
increasing, 1 place the function is decreasing. You can write down the last answer in this manner. Example number 11 gives you a very clear picture how to solve this question. Is that clear? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, fine.
ma'am.
So you will complete till question number 6 when you join the class tomorrow. Okay, one more thing I have to tell you. From tomorrow you are having your exams. Module.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It will be module from 8 to 9. And then daily basis I will miss the class. You people have 5 p.m.